Okay friends, so now we are going to talk, we have already talked about the camphor, right? Camphor 6 in icy coldness of extremities, especially subjectively and objectively, as well as nose stopped, dry and pointed nose, dry nose, icy coldness of nose also, as well as the water. There should be some this medicine should be given in some watery solution 2 hourly. I hope you remember that all things in camphor. Now the second medicine which we can think of, which we should give especially in first stage of cold and coryza. So first stage of cold coryza we have talked about camphor. Now second remedy is especially aconite. Okay, whenever patient is telling you कि डॉक्टर मैं थोड़ा ठंडी हवा में जाके आया, cold dry wind exposure is the most important causation in aconite. So you have to give medicine aconite in first stage of cold and coryza. Mind it, I told you the second medicine which is aconite, and in which cases aconite works nicely, in the cases where patient are telling you कि डॉक्टर मैं अभी जस्ट शाम को ठंडी हवा में बाइक पे जाके आया, which was not damp air, mind it, dry cold air exposure, you have to give aconite. In that case somewhat headache is there, especially at the root of nose. Okay, in camphor there is a frontal region headache is there, but here in case of aconite patient is having headache at the root of nose, mind it. Second important thing, that patient is not having much running nose. Okay, only the exposure and pain in the root of nose, and there is no running nose. Okay, so this is again the first stage of cold and coryza, especially burning and pricking at the throat, somewhat burning, not much. Okay, so first thing, feverish, patient is feeling restlessness, one more important point in aconite. So what are the things we are going to see in aconite? First stage, we are talking about the first stage of cold and coryza. Number 1 medicine we have talked about camphor. Number 2 medicine is the aconite. What happened in aconite? Patient is somewhat heat. Okay, there is no icy coldness like camphor. Here there will be a heat feeling, और गरम जैसे हवा लग रही है, गरम लग रहा है. Second thing, patient is very much restless. You all are knowing aconite is always restless, physical as well as mental level. And next one is the pain in the root of nose, and there is a burning and pricking in the, somewhat burning in the throat. These are the important point, important symptom of aconite. If patient is coming in front of you in the first stage of cold and coryza, you can think of camphor, you can think of aconite. I told you both the medicines in detail. Now third important medicine in first stage of cold and coryza is nux vomica. So what happened in nux vomica? Again patient comes in front of you, especially again some reason are there, some causative factors are there. There may be exposure to cold wind, there may be exposure to some another infected person, there may be something like he has exposed to some AC or air condition, या फिर he has some cold bathing and all those things. Any reason may be there in nux vomica, but the patient must have blockage of nose, especially at night. Patient tells you, yesterday just I have taken this, I have ate ice cream, and today I am having something like blocked nose, and because of blocked nose I cannot sleep properly for the whole night. Patient is very sensitive to inhale cold air. This happens in nux vomica. Patient is chilly and want covering in the feverish stage. This is again very important point in nux vomica. Okay, patient is chilly. You all are knowing, I hope, कि patient nux vomica patient is chilly and he want covering even in the feverish stage. This is nux vomica. You all are knowing nux vomica patient. Okay, but we are here talking about only and only first stage of cold exposure, and because of that patient is somewhat restless, patient is somewhat having heat or feverish feeling, and is having blockage of nose at night, and in that case though he is having fever he wants covering. Next thing, these three are the important medicines in case of first stage of cold and coryza. You can give these three medicines, camphora, aconite as well as nux vomica, and this medicine can be followed well by bryonia, mind it. ओके मतलब आपने ये मेडिसिन दिया है फर्स्ट स्टेज में, पेशेंट समवॉट बेटर है, बट पेशेंट को थोड़ा थोड़ा खांसी शुरू हो गया है, यू कैन थिंक ऑफ ब्रायोनिया. ओके, सो इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट सेकेंड स्टेज ऑफ कोल्ड एंड कोराइजा. ओके, थैंक यू.